In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight bulbs on this Ram 1500. If you need any parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. There's two screws. We're going to take those two screws out. I'm going to use a T25 socket. Take those out. There's two retainers on the side. We're just going to grab the light and just slide it back. It's going to pop out of those retainers. Pull straight back. Disconnect the connector. There's a little lock tab here. Just use a screwdriver. Just push that back a little bit. And you can push down on the lock. Just wiggle that out. Comes right out. Down below. Another tab. Just push down on the tab. And slide that out. Now we're going to take the socket, just twist it to the left. And it slides right out. Grab the bulb, pull that out. Take the new bulb, this is a 3157, lock it in place, line the socket up, and twist it to the right. Now connect the connectors, lock that down, take the other connector, line that up, and then push down on that lock. Line the taillight up. Just push it forward. There you go. Put the two screws in. Get those lined up. Start those. Tighten those down. Just snug. And you're good to go. And you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you need any parts for your Ram, head over to 1aauto.com. Then you can watch our other videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.